I'm going to show you in this video how you can add noise to your videos. I already have this video and I do already have some noise, but I can add even more. So I'm going to have to go to here to open FX, and then here I'm going to write fast noise. So drag and drop this onto your video, and then it's going to look like this, and it's probably going to say it's not going to work. Actually, it works. You just have to decrease the scale. Now it's going to look like some noise, right? So now we're gonna have to go to here. We have auto animation. Make sure you increase this because this is actually gonna add some animation to your noise if you want to. I don't want to, but if you want to, just do that. And here you can click on overlay, and if you can, once you add overlay, it's gonna turn this into noise. It's gonna add basically noise, as you can see. But you can play with this here with detail level as well. Now I don't want that wide, but if you want, you can add. Okay, detail balance as well, not too much. Detail balance, no, not that much of noise. I want evolution. It's great. Brightness and contrast. I also want to decrease the contrast because then the noise is too visible. All right, and that's something I don't want. You can also change the color thing, which is pretty nice, but I like the white here. That's fine. So I hope you found this short video helpful on how you can add noise in DaVinci Resolve. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this short video helpful, and take care.